Oh, all right, next on the list. My God, it's so much work. Okay, so this guy got hit by a car. So not the greatest, obviously. Let's put her up on the stand and see what we got going on. Now the great thing is this is the Grom, so it doesn't really take too much. All right. Let's see who this be. Oh my God, what's up? What are you doing? Oh yeah? Okay, so let's talk about this one that we have in the shop today. We do have a bunch of other work that we've got to do, but let's talk about the Grom. This should be a quick and easy fix. Shouldn't be too bad. Car pulled out in front of the guy. You know, that's the story we're told. We do want to see it hit all of this. I don't have that stuff, so I've got to check that out. What's weird is the front fender looks okay. It looks like kind of like a flip maybe. Oh, what's weird is this must have been before that, then, and that, because this is not scratched, so, and neither is this. But it broke his lever. This rear right here is damaged. The seat's damaged. That's damaged. I think I did take the seat off just to take a quick look right here, and I think it snapped. Let me put this down. I think it snapped. Yeah, so it broke all of this right here. Broke all of this in here. So all that needs to be replaced. Hopefully it didn't break the plastic underneath. Oh, even that's broken. So a couple things. Obviously we've got to get a new seat. We've got to get new, definitely. He did break our spool, so we've got to get a new spool. He broke his Woodcraft rear set. So, you know, not really worried about the kickstand. Everything else looks okay. That's from previous, I'm guessing. This guy's a little sharp. We might have to take that out of there for sure. Used to be maybe a mirror, probably, I would think. And then of course his whole clutch is gone. So not horrible. Should be pretty easy to fix. I've got a couple of these parts in stock which I pulled already. We obviously have our spools in stock, so I'm not too worried about that. That'll be a quick and easy fix right there. But yeah, that's it. Let's get to it. One more maybe. That's perfect. Okay. All right, now that we got her up, makes it a lot easier. This chain's pretty dirty. Let me get this thing on a stand. We got to do some work to it, you know. We got to do some work to it. All right, so now I know I have the axle in stock, so it's this guy. So I have the axle in stock. I have our spool in stock. That should not be a problem. These nuts I definitely have in stock. I think they're, where did I put them? The one thing that I'm worried about is I don't have, I know I just sold, oh man, where did I put those bolts? Oh wait, I threw them in here. There's one. There they are. Perfect. I usually keep my Grom stuff close because we do so much, you know. So there's the bolt, there's the nuts. I got those in stock. I just sold the damn adjusters. So what I'm gonna see is I know I have one of the, I need to check the part number, but I have one of the, oh, you know what? Oh, no, I don't. I know I have one of the new ones, which is right here. So let's see if it's the same thing. It might be the same thing. So I'll check that to make sure. And then obviously that's taken care of, so I don't need to order it. I do have the 2 fairings. I did have these in stock because we keep quite a bit in stock. So here's the 2 fairings. Happy about this because, you know, everything's been on back order. So, you know, it takes forever to get to us. So happy that I do have those in stock, so I don't have to worry about that. Dude, the nice thing is I do have a seat in stock, which here it is right here. I'll put it on top of my Grom. So he's got the seat he wants because he wanted a flat seat, so we're good there. So that's that. This is the nice thing, is when you have it in stock, I don't have to worry and order, like I can get this in and out. So that's the great thing about it. Okay, so the other thing that we need is we need the lever. The nice thing about this is the customer supplied the CRG lever. So if you guys take a look, he gave us the whole setup, the whole CRG setup, which if you guys ever want a damn good setup, you guys need to get this. It is absolutely amazing and no joke. These CRGs, I love it, man. So we have that. The bars are okay, everything. The only problem is I don't have any of this. I might have that fairing. So we'll see. I need to contact the customer and see if he wants to change that. I don't think he's gonna want to. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But everything here I have. Obviously his tail light got a little bit of a nick right there, but I think it's gonna be fine. So I don't think he'll want that changed up. So I don't see anything. Let me just check the other side just in case, because I mean I didn't see any. When you see scratches on the exhaust, then I'm like, okay, it hit this side. Ooh, he's got some scratches there, but that must be from previous because it didn't go down, you know. So that looks kind of rinky-dink right there. Oh, so they didn't shave. He didn't shave the throttle there. That's all that is. All right, well, let's just get to this and get it done. She's pretty much done. Got to clean the front rim. She looks good. Everything's repaired. The back's repaired. We did this. We replaced all that. So the lever looks good. That guy probably needs to just be cut off. But yeah, she looks really good. Nice and clean now. And then the customer can come pick it up. So just remember, guys, if you have any questions or you need help with anything, or, I mean, we're here. So if you're local, come see us, come visit the shop, come have a good time. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.